If you've ever wondered how to create an engaging, interactive forum right on your WordPress site, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through, step by step, how to build a modern forum using BBPress and BuddyPress, two powerful plugins that work together to turn your website into a bustling online community. By the end, you'll not only have the structure for forum discussions, but you'll also be able to add those great social features users love, like profiles and private messaging. Let's dive in. To start, you'll want to install both BBPress and BuddyPress. Think of BBPress as the foundation of your forum. It handles the posts, topics, and all the core discussion pieces. Head over to your WordPress dashboard, click on Plugins, then Add New, search for BBPress, then click Install and Activate. Simple as that. Right away, this sets up all the forum mechanics. Imagine it like laying out the building blocks of a community center, where each block is a new conversation or reply. Next, it's time for BuddyPress. While BBPress handles the conversations, BuddyPress brings the social energy, features like user profiles, activity feeds, or private messaging. In the same Add New Plugins area, search for BuddyPress and hit Install and Activate. This plugin is your toolkit for making the forum not just a place to talk, but a place to belong. And here's a quick note. If you want everything rolled into one, in 2026 many users have switched to the BuddyBoss platform, which merges all these functions into a clean, powerful system. It's something to consider if you prefer a more streamlined approach. Now, with both plugins live, it's time to actually create your forums. Go to your WordPress dashboard and find Forums. Click Add New. Just like setting up new rooms in that community center, you'll want to give your forum a clear, inviting title, maybe General Discussion or Welcome, pop in a short description so folks know what to expect. On the right, you'll see Forum Attributes. Here, where you organize your forum, if you want people to post and reply, choose Forum. If you want this to be more of a section header where you group other forums underneath, pick Category. Next, choose who can see this forum. Do you want it open to the public, only for logged-in users, or just for moderators? It's totally up to you and the type of community you're building. Once you're set, just hit Publish and your forum goes live. Of course, you want visitors to actually find and use your new forum, so let's add it to your website. Go to Pages and click Add New. Name your page something straightforward like Forum. In the editor, drop in the shortcode BBP Forum Index. This neat little code tells WordPress to display the main forum directory right on this page. After saving, head to Appearance menus and add your new forum page to your primary navigation. This makes it easy for anyone visiting your site to jump straight into discussions. Last but not least, you'll need to let people register so they can join the conversation. Under Settings, General, be sure to check the box for anyone can register. Don't worry, WordPress gives you tools to keep things safe and tidy. In Settings, Forums, you can decide the default role for new users. Typically, Participant is perfect, but you're free to set this how you like. To make sign-up super easy, create a registration page and add the shortcode BBP Register. This creates a clean sign-up form right where people expect it. And that's it. You've just transformed your WordPress site into a vibrant discussion forum, ready for users to connect and collaborate. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to like the video, drop a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical WordPress tutorials. Happy building!